Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know I have been gone for a while, but I'm back and I'm better. So I'm coming today with an unboxing for you guys. I recently got this iPad 9.7, and I'm really excited. So I was like, why not film a video for you guys? And yes, let's get into it. I'm really excited. As you can see, I'm really bad at like unboxing stuff, so hopefully we get it done. Okay, remove it from this. Then I'm guessing this is my first iPad, you guys, so bear with me. I guess oh my gosh. Okay. Wow. Here it is, you guys. Here's the iPad. I got a silver one, and the front is white, as you can see. And here is the charger. What is this? The instructions for it, or yeah. Okay, you guys. I also got a tempered glass to protect the iPad, which is right here. I don't have to open that yet in the video, but I'm gonna show you guys the case that I got. I ordered this case because you do not want your iPad to just fall and break. I drop my things all the time, my phone, everything. So it's best to have those things part. Okay. So this is the case that I chose. It's marble. Yes. You place the iPad in here and you get to use it. Oh, yeah. Okay, guys, this is all of the tempered glass. I don't know if you guys want to see it, but I'm just gonna open it. Yeah, so it has like the thing to wipe the screen, and then the glass is in here. It's covered, it's inside of this. So there you go. I got the iPad and I'm like really excited. So I'm gonna test it out and we'll see how it does. Thank you for watching, you guys. I'm gonna be coming back with a lot more videos, so be on the lookout for those. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment any videos you would like to see from me, and I'll see you another time. Bye.